Eevelle designs and manufactures high-quality performance products for those who love the outdoors. The Summerset Elite Series Bimini top featuring Sunbrella fabric is the best choice for outstanding performance and durability. The Summerset Elite Bimini top comes as a complete kit, including canvas, frame, and mounting hardware. Remove the canvas from the bag and lay out the pieces on a clean, dry surface. Lay out the crossbars and slide crossbars down the Bimini sleeves. Insert the ends of the crossbars into the side of the frame and lock into place. Measure to compare the mounting points on your boat. Width of frame. Attach the mounting swivel to the end of the frame. Clean and mask off the area where you'll be working. Position the frame in the mounting area. Open frame and confirm the position and coverage are correct. Mark the mounting points of the swivels. Drill pilot holes for the screws. Countersink the holes to prevent the fiberglass from splintering. Apply silicone to the holes to ensure a watertight fit. Repeat the drilling process to mount the eye strap loops. Secure the loop end of the web strap to Bimini frame and attach the strap to the eye strap loop using the clip-on strap. Repeat for all straps. Adjust the straps and tighten canvas. Release front straps to close the top and collapse the Bimini rearward. Fold canvas towards frame and secure in storage boot. Summerset Elite Bimini tops with Sunbrella are designed to satisfy the most discriminating customers. With marine-grade Sunbrella fabric, heavy-duty frames, and stainless steel mounting hardware, this kit is manufactured with the highest quality materials for superior durability. Eevelle, quality and performance by design.